So, jetzt glaube ich, müssen wir auf das Schiff auf. Irgendwie. Oh, da haben wir einen Heckenschützen. Jetzt haben wir nimmer. Da verdammt noch was. So, jetzt hat er nur.
How the half-assed gang like yours get this kind of firepower?
Ask Dragonclaw who's half-assed after we take control.
Golden King hasn't got the guts to take out Dragonclaw.
Yeah? Hide and watch. Big guns. We got lots more.
So, haben wir wieder Shootout. Ich glaube, das kann böse ausgehen. Ist gut ausgegangen.
Tequila. Half of Still City's in ruins and the rest of it's on fire. What the hell are you doing?
My job.
I want you out of there now. I'm sending a chopper. Stay put.
I've got orders to bring you back.
I know, but we have other orders too. Like to protect and serve.
Tequila!
5 minutes. That's all I'm asking. It's not over down there.
I guess I can give you 5.
X-Ray Delta 1 to control.
So, jetzt
I
gibt's
have
Krawall
Inspector Tequila aboard.
mit dem MG. So, wo haben wir's denn?
Try hitting those barrels. Enemy vessel spotted.
Na, da wo kann er? So, wer noch? Da ist noch einer.
Below us.
Der ist aber abgegangen.
That'll teach him to shoot at my chopper. Below us. one.
So, haben wir jetzt schon alles in Schutt und Asche zerlegt. Oder kommt noch was?
Enemy vessel spotted.
Checkpoint.
I'm seeing a lot of enemy movement down there. This is X-Ray Delta 1, moving to attack position. Shoot the incoming missiles! Gotta destroy the incoming missile! Ha-ha! They don't know what they're up against. Turning to vector 270. Hold on! I'm gonna bring us back around.
Tja, wo fliegt der mal
Hands
den hin?
up! Whoa, nice one! Turning to vector 180. Triangle fuel. Explosion shooting them out. Shoot at my chopper. Left side. Taking evasive action. Hold on. Whoa, nice one.
So, haben wir es jetzt. Oder... Ach, geht noch weiter.
Ha-ha! They don't know what they're up against. Turning to vector 360.
Tja, land lieber mal.
That'll teach him to shoot at my chopper. Turning to vector 180.
Where are you? On a helicopter?
And losing my temper.
Hang in there. You gotta try and stop the Golden Cane from moving weapons and drugs to the
So,
flotilla.
Checkpoint.
It's time to sink some boats. Check that chopper for some hull mines.
So, da machen wir jetzt eine kleine Unterbrechung.